What's up, guys? I'm here with my boy, Kunal. I told you guys about him earlier, right? Say hi, Kunal.
Hi, Kunal.
He's a funny guy and a traveler just like me. So he just picked me up from Rameshwaram in his cool new car. And oh man,
क्या हुआ bro?
bro, battery गई.
Spare batteries नहीं है?
है, but it's not charged. Announcement करने ही वाला था और
तो कर लेना अनाउंस.
कैसे? On your dashcam?
Yeah. It comes with dual cameras.
Guys, we are back. Actually, क्या हुआ था ना? Announcement करते करते my camera battery died. But guess what? My boy has a dashcam in his car. Isn't it so cool?
Yeah.
So now we are recording the video on this. And yes, about that announcement. Guys, we have reached 1 million subscribers on my channel. Bro, this is something new.
Now never miss any moment. Hyundai EXTER features dashcam with dual camera. Think outside. Think EXTER.